Hello, this time I'll show you how to create and use a catalog for drawing detail and deploying macros instead of part families 1. This catalog will allow you to insert quickly all your special defined drawing text, annotations, symbols, etc., in order to increase productivity and avoid browsing through existing drawings in search of them. Also, through this catalog, is possible to deploy your existing macros, stored in a network location. Starting with a new empty drawing, then save it on a network location. Next, I will insert a new detail sheet, not a standard sheet. I will rename the sheet, and save it. In same manner, I will insert other 4 sheets. Next, I will delete sheet 1. Next, I will add frames to each sheet, with copy-paste, from another open drawing, not shown in presentation. The frames are copied in sheet background, as presented. Now, in the existing 2D component view, I will paste a welding symbol from another drawing, and rename the view, as presented. Next, I will paste a text with a frame and leader, also from another drawing. Next, I will insert a new view, and cut-paste the text, as shown. Next, I will rename the view. I will select the sheet from tree, in order to deactivate all views, then again I insert a new view. Now, again I will paste a text inside this new view, from another drawing, not shown. As you can see, the text was copied in the same position as in original drawing, so I need to drag the view inside the frame. In same manner, I will rename the view. Another way to insert a 2D component view is from toolbar button, as shown. At pasting data from another drawing, the view will move according to position in original drawing. After positioning the view in the desired location, I will rename it as presented before. Next, I will arrange inside the welding sheet the views, from A to Z, as presented. You can also add in view any objects without paste them from another drawing, as you need. After I add in all sheets, views, and content in them, the result is as presented next. I will expand from tree, each sheet, to see the views contained. You can remark that all the views inside each sheet are placed into A to Z order in the tree. For each sheet, I've generate a preview picture to be saved also on server in order to be a preview for each class in the catalog. In the server location, in Preview Pictures folder, I've added the pictures for each sheet, and also other ones that I will use later. Next, quick scroll between them. Start the Catalog Editor module, next save the current empty catalog, in the same server location as the existing drawing. Next, I will rename Chapter 1, as presented. Next, I will add a new chapter, inside Catalog, as presented. Now, I will add a preview picture, for existing chapter. I will select it, from server location, previous saved pictures. Next, I will select the supporting document, for this catalog, in this case, the drawing created before. In same way, I will add a preview picture, for the first chapter, named as first sheet in the drawing. Next, I will save the catalog. Next, I will add a family inside current chapter, and name it as first sheet in the drawing. I will bring both windows, catalog, and drawing, as presented. Inside Frames family, I will add components. Click on Add Component button, then select External Feature, from the new window. Next, from the drawing, select in the tree, the first view, in Frames sheet. As you can see, the component was added into Frames family and an automatically local preview, was added into Catalog. In same manner I will add as components, all the views in sheet frames. Now, inside Frames family, are all external features contained in Frames sheet from drawing. As you can see, the preview of each component was added automatically into Catalog. Next, I will add family, for each sheet in the drawing, and inside them, I will fill in, all the external features. For each family, I will add also, preview picture, from the saved ones, on server location. Finally, after adding all the external features from drawing, the result is like presented. In the server location, inside Macros folder, the macros are sorted into folders, according to the module in which they can be used. All the macros inside, are Visual Basic Script CATBs, which in my opinion offers an extra security, when they are obfuscated, as presented. So the code inside them, can be readed with Notepad, but not copied and adapted when the file is obfuscated. Back to the catalog, I will add a new chapter, where to add those macros. Next, I will add a preview picture, from server folder saved ones. Next, I will add chapters inside, for each macro subfolder on server. Next, inside these chapters, I will add a family, for each macro contained in the server folder. At family definition, I will set a suggestive name for each macro, regarding to his action. For each family, it's possible to assign a preview picture, since an automatically generated one, in this case is not possible. Next, I will select the supporting document, for each family, in this case the corresponding CATBs file. In same manner, I will proceed, with adding all macros, in corresponding class. Finally, after each family has been linked to the supporting document, then added a preview image, the catalog looks as follows. As you can see, a family is linked to only one supporting document, in this case a CATBS macro. So, comparing with drawing catalog, the difference is that inside a drawing family, we can have a lot of components, without having a supporting document, but in macro catalog, we don't have any components, only one supporting document, which is the macro. Next, starting with an empty drawing, I will add the path of the newly created catalog in CATIA. Select from Tree, Infrastructure, then Catalog Editor, then add favorite, next browse to server location, where the catalog is saved, and add it. It's possible to change the catalog position, inside favorites, by selecting it, and moving up or down, with the arrows, as presented. Now, the catalog will be accessible, through Catalog Browser button. As you can see, when the catalog is open, we have two classes as defined before, and the preview picture. Opening annotations, inside we have same families, as sheets in the supporting drawing. Next, I want to insert a frame, to active drawing, so I go to sheet background, as presented. From frames family in catalog, I select the needed frame, and insert into current drawing. I will drag into desired position the frame, then click left mouse button, and open the toolbar called Tools Palette, and click on Explode button, and again left mouse button, to confirm and finalize the process. Next, I switch back to working views, and insert another component from catalog. Next, select General ASCII family, in left upper window, double-click on it, next in same window, double-click on desired annotation, then left-click in drawing in a position. As you can see, the Explode button is active, from previous time. But this time, I have to push Fit All in button, to see where the new component was inserted, due to its relative position in supporting catalog drawing. Next, select and drag it, in desired position. Next, back to catalog, to see, how can we handle with macros. Browse to macros, open a subchapter, select a family, double-click on it, then click on Launch button, to run the macro. As you can see, the macro opens the Explorer, at active document path. Next, browse in Catalog to Drafting subchapter, then select and launch, Fit Sheet macro. If I switch to Small Icons view, then I can see, in the right panel the preview picture assigned for class, subclass, or family, as you can observe. I hope you will find useful this presentation, so you can create your own catalog. Till my next presentation, I wish you all the bests.